students of India, whenever they will be in the form of a ration, then we have to, that means if gx be two polynomial, if fx and gx are polynomial in x not equals to 0, then x by gx form is known as, this is, now if this fx, or rather degree of fx, if it is less than gx, then rational fraction is called proper rational fraction. So whenever the integral will be in proper rational fraction, that means degree of gx is degree of fx, then we have to break it and make integral minus 1. Now see, given 2x by x square minus 1, the g, that means denominator of numerator, that means degree is greater than of fx. So break it into 2x, apply the formula of you will get x minus 1 into x plus 1, and if you write this fraction as 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by, you will get this one. Okay, because if you do the LCM, you will into x plus 1, that means x plus 1 plus x minus 1 minus 1 and plus 1 cancel, so 2x you are getting. That means rational fraction you are breaking into these two fractions, these are called partial fraction. So whenever the integral is given in a proper rational fraction, if you break it into partial fraction, then to find the integral, because directly you can write there log of the denominator, because if you differentiate in numerator the derivative of denominator, you can directly write log of the denominator. Now forms are there, those forms you have to remember. Whenever that form, to express the partial fraction as a sum of linear partial fraction. So I'm writing those forms. First, if the fraction is given like this, px plus q divided by x minus a into x minus b to b, that means the denominator, when the denominator value of x are not equal, here the value of x are not equal, x equals to a and here x equals to b coming, so a is not equals to b. In that case you have to write this fraction as x minus a plus b by x minus b to find the value of a and b. So if the numerator is a linear and then you can break the fraction like this. Samad, sound is coming. Number 2, if the numerator it is like this, px plus q and the denominator is a whole square. Then you have to break the fraction a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. When the root of the denominator are same, then you have to do in this method. Repeated factors are repeated factor, both the factors are different, but when repeated factors are there and the denominator it is in quadratic by x minus a plus whole square. Next, number 3, if the numerator it is in px square plus qx plus r for form and the denominator cubic form x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, not repeated, or you can express the denominator factor of linear factor. If it is in cubic form and you can express as a linear factor and all the factors are different, non-repeated, express it like a by x minus a plus b minus b plus c by x minus c. But repeated factors are there, then how to? If the numerator is plus qx plus r same, but in denominator x minus a whole square into x minus a, this factor is repeating. To write this one as a whole square, you have to write the factor under b. Next, form number 5, if the numerator it is divided by x plus 2 x square plus 5 whole square, if it is like this, then you have to write this one as a by x minus 1 plus 2 plus c by x plus 2 whole square plus e by x square plus 5 plus fx plus x square plus 5 whole square. And if it is given px square plus r divided by x minus a into ax b plus c in this form, where we cannot factor ax square plus x plus c further, where we cannot factorize this one further, then how to, then we have to express a by x minus a plus b plus c by ax square plus bx plus c. So all these 6 forms you have to remember, then it will be very easy to factorize. We will take first, we have to factorize this. Resolve fractions into partial fraction. Two x plus 1 by x plus 2 into x minus 3 whole square. So first check this form is matching with, clearly this is this form, but see the denominator is only matching, numerator is not same. Here the new by x plus 2 x minus 3. Now how to this side, to the LCM this side. Now if you solve, you are getting x plus 2 into x minus 3. So denominator both sides is equals to a into x minus 3 whole square x plus 2 plus c into x plus 2 by this side, and we will minus 6x plus 9 plus 2 plus 1. If you take x square, if you take common, a plus b plus x, here you are minus 6a, so minus 6a minus constant, so you can write therefore a plus b is equal to 0, the coefficient of x square a plus b and of x square, so a plus 2 0, this is number 1. Next, coefficient of x is minus b plus c, and here coefficient of c is 2, so minus 6a minus b plus c equals to 2, this is equation number 2, and constant term minus 6b plus 2c, this is equals to 1. We are getting, and we value of a, b and c from these three equations. Now equation number 1 you are getting a equals to minus b, so that value you can put here in the, you can put minus b here, also in the place of a you can put minus b. Okay, so therefore a plus b equals to 0, number 2 is 6a minus b minus 2 0, and 9 is 6c plus 2c equals to 1. From here we are getting a equals to minus b, and if we replace this value here, therefore minus 6 minus b plus c equals to 0 implies 6b minus, that is 5b plus c equals to 0. This is equation number 4. From 3, 9 into minus b minus 6 1 implies minus 9b minus 6b plus 2c equals to 1. This is equation number 5. Now we have to solve. So better if we multiply 2 with this and 1 with this. 10b plus and minus 15b plus equals subtract so 5 plus 15b plus 10b, the 20 is equals to minus 1, which implies b is equals to minus 1 by 25. Let me check it. 2 minus equal to, it is given 2. Okay, so this is equals to 2. So 2 to the 4, here it is coming 4, that is plus 3 plus 3 by 25 equals to plus 3 by 25. Therefore a equals to minus b minus 3 by 25. Now if we put the value in another, therefore 5 into 3 by 20 x minus 3 plus 5 into x. So this is the answer. The fraction, proper fraction, then now we have to do either constant polynomial by to the n or by arithmetic. We have to first the fraction into partial fraction. Have to integrate. The first question, integration of a plus 4 square minus 5x plus 6. Check, is given x square equals to minus 3x x x into x minus 3, that is x minus. So we, so this one we can write x plus 5 x minus 3 into x. Whenever we can factorize, not non-repeating, place minus 3 into x minus a by x minus 3 b by x minus 2. And then we find a and b. How to find? First we have to by this, that is a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3. Next will cancel, so what is coming? 3x plus 4 is equals to into x minus 2 plus b. So which implies equals to, you take common a plus and constant term minus 2a minus 3b is a plus b. Here the coefficient of a, comparing in RHS, this is the constant, 4 is the constant term. So this equation we are getting a, sorry, in the place minus 3b is equal to, which implies here you are getting minus 3 is equal to minus 10 you are getting if you put it here. Therefore a equals to 3 minus of minus 10, that is 13. We can write the integral by minus 2 minus 3 plus b x minus 2. That's why 13 by x minus 3, and value b minus by x minus 2 by x minus 3 dx minus integral 2 dx. So if you integrate here, you will log x minus 3, and here you will get minus 10 into, because see the differentiation of the denominator presents in numerator. So this is 13 log minus 3 minus 10 log x minus 2 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, one more problem to do. Question number 2. Integration of x square plus 2 divided x square plus 1 x square plus 4 dx. The numerator it is given in quadratic form, and the denominator it is also given in quadratic into quadratic. One also you can express like a by another factor. Therefore x square plus 2 by x square plus 1 plus b by x square plus 4 LCM, you are getting this a into x square plus 4 plus b into x square plus 1. So numerator will cancel both sides, therefore x equals to a into x square plus 4 plus b into x square plus 1. Square plus 2 is equals to, if you take common you are getting a plus b, a plus b. Now comparing both sides, you are getting a plus equals to 1, because coefficient of x square this side it is 1, and constant equals to 2, and 4 2. So from here you are equal to 1 minus b, and if you put the value of a here, you are getting 4 into 1 minus b plus b is equals to 2, implies 4 minus 4b plus b equals to 2, implies minus 3b is equals to, implies b equals to 2 by 3. Now if b equals to value here, therefore a equals to 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by. So therefore they come 1 by 3 to x square plus 1 x plus 2 by 3 into square plus dx. 3 integration dx square plus 1, or you can write. Now we have direct formula formula is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here it is coming 1 by 3, 1 by 1 tan inverse x by 1, that is x of a equals to 2, that is 1 by 2 x by 2. So 2 to cancel, that means 1 by 3 if you take common. Tan inverse x by 2 plus okay, the next question number 3, integration of 12x square minus 9 divided by 4x square minus 1 into x plus 3 dx. Check here, you can apply the formula of a square minus b square. Minus 1 square, and that is equals to 2. All the factors are linear and non-repeated. So whenever we are getting and non-repeated, write it as a factor plus b factor. So therefore 12x square minus 2x minus 9 by 2x plus 1 into 2x 1x plus 3. This is the because 4x square minus 1 equals to square, a by 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1 plus, all the factors are non-repeated and linear factor. I will show you. So if you solve this side, what you are getting, LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 3. So a into x plus 3 into 2x plus 1 into x plus 3 minus 1 into 2x plus 1. You are getting. Now if you compare both sides, you are getting 12x, and this is equals to a into 2x plus 1 into x plus 3 plus b into 2x plus 1 into x plus 3, c into 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now whenever linear and non-repeated, we have to take one factor is equals to 0. If plus 1 is equals to 0, from here we are getting x is equals to half. If plus 0, we are getting x minus half. If we are choosing x plus 3, if x equals to half, here what we are getting, when x equals to half, 12 into 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 9, this is equals to, here if 2x minus 1 equals to 0, this whole thing will become 0. Equals to 0, this whole thing becomes 0. Here only we can put x equals to half. So that is b into 2 into half plus 3. So which implies into 1 4 minus 1 equals to b into 2 into, which implies, so then 12 to 1 by 4 minus 2 minus is equals to, so this thing becomes 0. Here you have to put it minus 1 3. So here you are getting plus, this is equal to plus 3 plus 1 minus 9 you are getting, this is equals to, here 2 to cancel, so minus 2 a into minus 2 remaining to cancel g plus equals to 1. If x equals to minus 3, you are getting this side 12 into minus 3 whole square into minus 3 minus 9, this is equals to, this thing will become 0. Only you have to put x equals to minus 3 here, minus 1, that means 4 into minus 3 into 9, that is to 35c, plus 3 square minus 2 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1 into x dx by 2x by x log, you are getting 2, so